Good morning and welcome to the locker room. Coach Ack here, and today's message is get into it. Yep, let's just get into it. One of my managers recently challenged me directly because both of us would be going into the field and sitting down with clients, which isn't something that I do all the time. It was in good fun and aimed at getting other people fired up and pushing themselves to perform at a high level. While I was rolling, I was posting pictures, offering running commentary in our group chat, and generally staying connected with everyone. It was a great time, and it made a big difference. When we engage enthusiastically in whatever we're doing, it goes better. People respond more readily to us when we're smiling. Remember, attitudes are contagious. When the dust settled, I had won the challenge. Shout out to Alex Grushko for doing the heavy lifting on that. And it was time for the manager who lost to follow through. We play for pride. Because again, it's all about raising people's energy and spirits. So instead of paying out money, the losing manager had to sing karaoke to share. It went about as well as you think it did. It was so painful, but this manager was such a good sport that I decided to grab a mic and jump in, even though I can't sing either. The crowd loved it. It was one of those moments where everybody was having fun on a Monday morning. I knew I didn't have to sing, but it made the experience more fun for everyone and reminded people that we should just enjoy the moment. Was it possibly the worst performance of all time? No doubt it was up there. But if we take ourselves too seriously and we don't fully engage, life passes us by. Let's make the most of it. So today, let's get into it. Whatever you're doing, have fun, smile, and realize you're doing it anyway. That's what lets us live our very best life. Thanks for joining me in the locker room today, guys. We'll see you next time. Make it an amazing day.